The most likely ways humanity could end, and how we might survive. When people imagine the end of humanity, they picture explosions, asteroids, or world-ending wars. But according to scientists, the truth is more complex and more human. The end probably won't come from a single cataclysm. It'll come from the systems we've built, slowly turning against us. So, what really threatens humanity's future? Let's look at what the research says. Of all global risks, climate change stands out as the most likely disruptor of modern civilization. The science is clear. If current trends continue, Earth is heading toward 2.5 to 3 degrees Celsius of warming by the end of this century. That's not just hotter summers. It's entire ecosystems collapsing, coastlines disappearing, and billions facing food and water shortages. A 2023 analysis from the Council for Science warns of tipping points, runaway feedback loops like melting ice sheets, dying rainforests, and thawing permafrost releasing trapped methane. Once those kick in, change accelerates beyond human control. By the 2050s, experts predict climate disruption could force hundreds of millions of people to migrate, destabilizing economies and sparking conflicts over food and water. It won't likely end humanity, but it could end the world as we know it. Next, pandemics, the invisible threat that reminds us how fragile our systems are. COVID-19 was only a warning shot. Because of global travel, urban density, and warming climates driving animals into new regions, the chance of another major pandemic is rising. Experts from the World Health Organization estimate there's a 47 to 57% chance of a pandemic as deadly or worse than COVID within the next 25 years. And the real danger might not even be natural, but engineered. Advances in biotechnology make it possible for labs to manipulate viruses with unprecedented precision. If that technology is mishandled, the results could be catastrophic. The good news? Pandemic science has evolved too, with mRNA platforms, global data sharing, and AI-driven vaccine design. But the race between innovation and oversight is one we can't afford to lose. Then comes the wild card, artificial intelligence. Once a futuristic idea, AI is now reshaping economies, warfare, and even decision-making itself. In a 2024 survey of over 2,700 AI researchers, the average estimate for AI causing human extinction was about 5%. Low, but not zero. A bigger concern is instability, misinformation, automation shocks, or the loss of human control over critical systems like defense or finance. The Times Center for AI Safety report calls AI a dual-use risk. It could accelerate progress or amplify every other global problem. Imagine